Hi guys, welcome back. About to assemble the VEVOR car repair stool. Took the parts out the box, got the wheels, gonna need these. Sure, this is for the seat. Hardware, bolts, nuts, screws. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. This might be the bottom. That means here we go. VEVOR seat, star of the show. I'll be sitting on this for a very long time. Can't do this without directions now, can we? So far, so good. This comes like this already. Can't mess this up. How about we open up the book, take a look inside. Doesn't look too complicated. We should be able to get through this one. I'm sure this is central command for all the parts. I'm looking at the directions. Yep, makes sense to me. Okay, got all the parts on standby. I'll take a washer and push it down the thread. Looking at these directions and then at the best, I think I was completely off. This does not go here, goes right here. First is the flat, then it's the spring. Okay, got it. Looks like I should come with the nut next. It's on. How about the other three? Wheels have been properly secured. On to the next phase. Again, I do not like these directions at all. How about we test these wheels? Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Next, I'll take a screw, then a flat washer, and come under. Trying to put the screws in the holes is going to be the most difficult part, it seems. Got it under. Now it's time to add the spring washers. Think I should have added the flat and spring washers like I did with the wheels. If it's wrong, I'll blame the directions. Let's do the other three. Complete. Now it's time to add the cushion, and we have to use the Allen wrench to do so. The word VEVOR should face you before you secure it to the metal. And these are the remaining screws. The last two should do it. And you should be done. I turned it on the side to line up the holes. One down, one to go. Okay, we're almost there. Be patient. For future reference, you don't have to tighten the screws right away. You might need to move some parts around to get screws in holes, if you know what I mean. I think we reached the goal. We didn't use the Allen wrench for these screws because they're too big, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. Double check your work, measure twice, cut once. My advice though, and it's not a big deal, get a wrench or something and tighten these nuts a little more. Still not sold on those directions, but remember, no washers in between the metal and the wheels, okay? This is really gonna help my back out. And I could put tools right here. Well, that's it, at least for now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.